This is something that I really want to share with you. There is a code that the market respects, no? Ito yung 6 non-negotiables. Number 1, standards over feelings. Ito yung napansin ko sa atin, especially when we are trading. We don't have standard. Parang yung standard na dapat natin gawin, we just let ourselves, kung ano yung makita natin na tingin natin mas mapadali, yun na lang gagawin natin. Even though na hindi natin nagagawa yung standards natin. And dito palang most of the traders fail. Next, execution over opinions. We have so many opinions about a strategy, about the market, about different indicators. Pero pag tinanong mo, na-try mo na ba, na-execute mo ba, nagawa mo na ba siya? Yun pala hindi pa. Next, process over outcomes. Most of us, we always chase kung ano ba yung magiging resulta. Kumbaga, gagamit tayo ng strategy. Tapos, pag ginamit natin yung strategy, imagine, 2 trade mo pa lang siya ginamit, tatalon ka na ulit sa isang strategy. Pero, never mo nalaman kung ano ba talaga yung process before ka gumamit na strategy na yon. Next, silence over validation. With silence over validation, anong usually ginagawa natin? Mas importante na ma-post natin yung trade natin kesa aralin natin bakit nag-work yung trade na yon. Next, discipline over motivation. Pag up yung market, buhay na naman yung Discord. Good morning! Green market, ang saya na naman natin. Pero pag bumabagsak yung market, malungkot lahat, tahimik lang yung Discord. Hindi tayo active. Ano muna ako? Pahinga muna ako. So, kaya hindi natin makuha yung resulta na gusto natin. And last but not the least, ownership over excuses. Sobrang dami nating pwedeng i-blame sa market. Sobrang dami nating pwedeng i-blame na strategy. But ask yourself, meron ka bang ownership doon sa mga mistakes mo? Because if you don't have an ownership, then you will only have excuses. You can blame 1,000 things, pero alin doon yung kaya mong i-take na you're the reason kung bakit naging ganyan yung resulta mo. And with this relentless code, you don't follow this code when it's convenient. You follow it when it's uncomfortable. Ito yung pinakamaganda dito sa code na to, na pag ginamit nyo siya tuloy-tuloy, na meron kang standard, nag-execute ka over opinion, hindi ka nagsisik ng validation, you have this sense of ownership, bakit ka ba nagkakamali sa mga trades mo, discipline over motivation, na kahit wala ka nakikita or nababasang quotes, tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin because eventually magko-compound yan eh. And when you follow it, when that moment na this is very uncomfortable, then eventually makikita mo yung fruits of your labor from becoming relentless.